a quiet factory in Virginia, has suddenly become part of the global AI race, not because of social media, not because of smartphones, but because artificial intelligence is now demanding a level of computing power the world was never fully prepared for. Inside massive clean rooms, machines carefully carve microscopic circuits onto silicon wafers, layer by layer, building memory chips so small and complex that even a tiny dust particle can destroy them. And now, some of America's most advanced DRAM memory is finally being produced inside the United States. For years, most advanced semiconductor manufacturing shifted toward Asia. Companies in South Korea and Taiwan became dominant, while America slowly lost much of its production capacity. The system seemed stable for a long time until AI changed the equation. Modern AI systems process unbelievable amounts of information every second, and that created a new problem. Moving data fast enough, you can actually see this inside AI data centers, giant server racks filled with powerful GPUs generating huge amounts of heat while constantly exchanging information. And beside those processors sits one of the most important parts of the entire system, DRAM memory. Without fast memory, even the world's most powerful AI chips slow down because they spend too much time waiting for data. That is why Micron Technology starting production of its advanced 1-alpha DRAM in Virginia matters far beyond the semiconductor industry. The process is designed to improve efficiency, speed, and power consumption at the same time, something that has become critical as AI infrastructure grows larger every year. Training modern AI models now requires enormous facilities consuming huge amounts of electricity. Cooling systems run non-stop, liquid pipelines remove heat from processors, and memory chips operate continuously under heavy workloads. If you look closely, AI is no longer just software. It is reshaping physical infrastructure across the world. But manufacturing these chips is extremely difficult. Semiconductor factories must stay cleaner than many operating rooms, production machines work at microscopic scales, and even small supply chain disruptions can delay manufacturing. That is one reason governments now see semiconductor production as a strategic industry tied to economic power, artificial intelligence, and national security. Still, this does not mean America suddenly dominates the memory industry overnight. Companies like Samsung Electronics and SK Hynix remain major leaders in advanced memory production, and expanding manufacturing inside the United States will take years. The costs are massive, the industry needs highly skilled workers, and these facilities consume enormous amounts of energy and resources, but the direction is becoming clear. Artificial intelligence is creating a new industrial race, not only for software, but for the hardware powering everything behind the scenes. And somewhere inside those silent Virginia clean rooms, billions of microscopic memory cells are now being built for a future where machines will process more information than ever before. The AI revolution may look digital on the surface, but underneath it, the real battle is happening deep inside the hardware itself. Subscribe to Dezhn for more deep technology stories shaping the future, because the next era of computing is already being built, one microscopic layer at a time.